Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Amaretto wig by BelleTress in the color Cayenne with Ginger Root. Now, I have talked about this color before. It's really luscious. It's one of my favorite brunette shades, and it's really dynamite. The rooting is just kind of perfect on it. But this isn't really about the color. This review is more about the wig. So before I do anything else, I'd like to go ahead and do a little 360 so you can see what this one looks like on all sides. I think the texture on this wig is really beautiful. I haven't combed it, I haven't brushed it, I haven't really done much of anything to it. This is how it comes right out of the box. The front on Amaretto, I wouldn't really call it a fringe or a bang because it's really long. It's 9 inches, so really nice and long. The sides are 11 inches, so really heavily layered here on the sides. The nape is 5.5, the back is 12.5, and the overall length from the crown down to the bottom is about 12.5 inches. Now that is pre-waved, so that's before they put this texture in. So if you straighten it out, it'll be about 12.5 inches overall. Let me go ahead and take Amaretto off now so I can show you what the interior of the cap looks like. So Amaretto has a very small but functional lace front in the front. Has a left side monofilament part as well as a little bit of permatease here on the side where it's nice and open. Fuzzy felt in between the top of the wig and the rest of the cap features. It's open on the sides and the back. It is also extended here at the nape and adjusts a bit like a bra strap here in the back. This is a pretty nice and stretchy wig here on Amaretto. Go ahead and invert this cap. This one has a really pretty wave pattern. It's really delicate. And I do really enjoy the heat-friendly fiber from the BelleTress line. It's not shiny in the slightest, even in this direct sunlight. And here's what some of that knotting looks like. If you can see it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back on for you now. So overall, I think this one's really darling. I think that the lace front, it's kind of a pedestrian lace front, but it does the trick. It's a little bit straight across for my taste. I like them with a little bit of a contour, generally speaking, but I do think it looks really nice, and it does add that little touch of realism. I love the texture. I would never straighten this wig out, ever, but that's just me personally. I think that this texture is really dynamite all on its own. It's that really trendy sort of wave pattern that everyone loves right now. Yeah, I love this one. It's really lovely. But still, between this one and the Kona, I probably like the Kona a little bit better because it's a little shorter, it's a little shaggier, it's a little edgier. And I think because of that shorter length and the layering, you can do a little bit more with it, and the texture shows through a little bit more. But this one's a little bit more feminine. It's a little softer looking. And it doesn't look quite as fussy. So, I mean, if you're torn between this one and the Kona, those are really good deciding factors because they have very similar cap constructions, really. And if you're torn about something like this compared to something like, say, Biscotti Babe, remember that Biscotti Babe has a completely hand-tied monofilament top and a lace front, whereas something here, this Amaretto, only has a monofilament side part. So you're stuck with the part that they give you. So hopefully that helps kind of explain what's going on with this cap and this wig. So I give it a thumbs up. I think it's a really pretty one. I think it's easy to wear. It feels really comfortable on, and it feels pretty true to size. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Hopefully you liked my videos. If you do, I hope you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. That's a lot of hope, isn't it? Hopefully you'll buy things from my store. I mean, just keeping it real. And have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.